All right, this is the latest and greatest. We're just gonna do a quick walk around. It's a beautiful BMW X6. Some new stuff coming very soon. I'm actually doing a complete and utter rebrand of my brand. Rapid Ride Rehab is the new branding. Detail Juice will be no more very soon. I've got a brand new line to reflect all of that and a new direction that will be available for this Thanksgiving through Cyber Monday sale. I'm going to go ahead and launch it early. Normally I'd launch March 1st of any given year if I'm doing something new, but I'm going to go ahead and get her rolling this year, get it cranked out. Let you guys get the feel for it before detailing season comes back around. But this X6 got wash. I used the brand new Infinite Use Detail Juice 2025, or as we say online, IUDJ 25. And then with that, I also clay barred at the same time. Got some weirdness on these windows. Oh, it's inside. I gotta get in there. Clayed it with the residual water that's left over after you wash a panel. So I clayed a panel at a time, washed, clayed, and dried a panel at a time to do the entire vehicle. After that, I polished. The new polish is a very similar version of the Go One Step. The difference is we put that new zirconium oxide ceramic in there to help with the cut just a little bit, enhance the gloss situation. That's generally a beautification ceramic, if you will, but we did some testing with the larger size chunks and it actually works very well to refine the finish to give you a very, very nice finish. And inherently just leaves just a little bit of protection behind as well. But so I polished with that. That'll be released on the Thanksgiving through Cyber Monday sale as well. After that, I did go ahead and do a isopropyl alcohol wipe down on everything on this vehicle. And then after I did all of that, I coated this thing. All right, so we've got the CRHPP 1100. We've got the Go ceramic. We got the CRHPP 400, the 750. I don't love having multiple options of anything. I'm sick of how the industry is. So what we've done is we've taken everything we know about all the ceramic coatings that I have and have ever had, and we wrapped it all into one wholesome goodness. And what we have is a 5-year rated ceramic coating that looks and performs amazing. The new gloss enhancers are awesome, as you can see. I used the new ceramic on all of the paint, and we used the brand new Super Stack, which I will be keeping because I love how easy that is to use. I love the incredible durability, and the water behavior is awesome. The longevity is, I mean, it's just a great, less expensive option to a traditional ceramic that lasts long and it produces just stupid gloss. So we are keeping the Super Stack, obviously keeping the Infinite Use Detail Juice. which, you know, we've discontinued the previous version due in part to supply chain issues, but really I just prefer the new solution better, and it seems to function better. It cleans better and produces more gloss because it has better gloss enhancers in it. But we use the super stack, like I said, on the wheel faces and all the glass, and then the brand new ceramic is all over the paint, so looks amazing. I just did a quick one-step polish with my DeWalt dual action polisher and an orange pad, as you may see right there. Great tool. But that's it. Garry Dean's Rapid Ride Rehab in full effect. Stay tuned for more information, and if you want your car detailed, or if you need some paint and body work done, metal fabrication, bed liner, all kinds of stuff, rapidriderehab.com will be available for your viewing pleasure very soon. I'm Garry Dean. My cell phone number is 813-846-4406 should you need me. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.